Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the lava lamp lab, and it's by me, Robert Getty. So the explanation of the lab. So what happened in the lab was there was a water bottle that contained oil and water, and at the bottom you had water, so I'm going to draw blue, and then at the top you had oil, and this created a suspension because they were not mixed together. So oil is less dense, which is why it's on the top, and the water is more dense, which is why it's on the bottom. So water and the food coloring mixed together to create a homogeneous mixture because they are alike and they were mixed together really well. And the water and the oil is a heterogeneous mixture because you can see the difference between them and you can easily pull them apart. So water is a solvent, so you have your glass of water, and then you add food coloring, drop, to the water, so then it creates a solution. So right here, then this is a solution. So water is a pure substance because it is in its simplest form. It's also a compound because you have H and then two hydrogens and an oxygen, which makes it a compound and a molecule because all compounds are molecules. But the oil and the water didn't mix because the water is polar and the oil isn't, and to mix both of them have to be polar. So the food coloring was polar and so is the water, which is why they mixed. Oh, shoot. My bad. Okay, so the reaction. So the Alka-Seltzer reacts with water to form mini carbon gas bubbles. These gas bubbles indicated that there was a reaction occurring. So hold on. So here's So here's the water, and here is the mini gas bubbles coming to the top. And here's the Alka-Seltzer, and it indicated a reaction was occurring. The oil was added. The experiment changed physically because there was another object added to it, and it changed chemically when there was the chemical reaction, and it showed that a new object was formed. The Alka-Seltzer contains sodium bicarbonate, which is a compound, and it is not stable, which is why it reacted so easily. And the Alka-Seltzer is very malleable, and it was white. So those are some of its physical properties, and the Alka-Seltzer's chemical properties are that it's not that stable. So what it means to be malleable is if you take a hammer, draw a hammer, and you stab at it, it means it would break really easily. Anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah.